And now to the latest coronavirus case numbers. The state has more than 29,000 cases since the pandemic began. That is an increase of more than 500 from just yesterday. 1,284 people have died from the virus, 8 more deaths since Monday. Now today, Kittitas County was approved to enter phase 3. You can see the phases of reopening here. 16 counties are now in phase 3. 18 in phase 2, with Cowlitz, Kitsap, Thurston, and Walla Walla applying for phase 3, and 5 counties are in phase 1 or a modified phase 1.
Well, even in the middle of this reopening, if you do not have a mask, the governor says you need to get one. Today, he announced a new face mask requirement, which starts on Friday. And Cairo 7's Simney Kim is at the live desk right now. Simney, this applies to just about everyone.
Yeah, and Monique, we have seen Governor Inslee's stance on masks change over the course of the pandemic. On June 8th, he required masks for workers in the state, but now this builds on that. His position on masks evolved as the number of cases continues to climb.
As we have reopened our economy, as we have shedded some of our social distancing, we are now experiencing a higher activity of our virus.
Governor Inslee also pointed out the surge of cases in Yakima County, where the hospitals are so stressed, they're sending COVID patients to other hospitals in Seattle and other places.
And we do not want to see that condition spread across the state of Washington. So today we are adopting an additional and new strategy regarding the use of facial coverings in the state of Washington.
He says more measures must be taken as the economy reopens. The infection rate is going up across Washington, and anywhere between 20 to 40% of cases are spread by people who don't even know they're sick.
Face coverings will apply when we are inside of or in line to enter any indoor public space, seeking healthcare services, waiting for or riding public transportation, while outdoors when keeping a physical distance of 6 feet from others who are not in our household is impossible.
The question of masks has been politicized, but Inslee says it's about using tools to get the infection rate down.
I think of these face coverings in some sense as a statement. It's a statement that when you wear it, it means you care about people.
Now, there are exceptions, people younger than 5 years old and those who can't wear them for health reasons. Inslee says people willfully not wearing a mask may also face a misdemeanor. At the live desk, Simney Kim, Cairo 7 News.